Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stock 2019 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory, with no miles, runs like new and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and an onboard computer. In Aprilia's brief history, they have won 54 titles thanks to their innovation and cutting-edge prowess of building racing bikes. That expertise is brought to the RSV4, one of the fastest street-legal bikes on the market that doles out high-octane power and lightning-fast speeds, rivaling their racing models. Powered by a 1077cc 4-cylinder engine, the RSV4 puts 217 horsepower and 90 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 401 pounds and has a 33.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.